Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the temperature on your MacBook Air M5. Unfortunately, there is no native tool that would let you do this on your MacBook. However, there is one very reliable free tool which is called Stats, which will not only let you check your device's temperature, but also all the performance stats in real time. And it is available on the Homebrew website. Now, the Homebrew is the packager that we're also gonna need to install, and this packager is useful for many things, but you can uninstall it easily. We even have a full video on our channel about how to uninstall Homebrew from your MacBook, so don't worry. If you want to uninstall it, you can do this at any moment. So first of all, let's search for the Homebrew official website. It's brew.sh, and to install the Homebrew on your computer, you will have to click copy next to this string of code, and then press Command spacebar to open Spotlight and search for terminal. Then here in the terminal, we're gonna have to right click and paste the selected string, then press enter and enter the password to your MacBook. Then press enter once again, and this will install the Homebrew, and also if required, it will also download and install the command line tools. But from what I can see now, the command line tools are already installed. Therefore, I'm not gonna have to download them. But generally speaking, if the tools aren't installed, you'll be able to install them using xcode-select install string. So just enter this. This will open the command line tools installer. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is press continue all the time until tools are installed on your computer. These are the tools that are official for Apple, and they only are required because of compatibility. And after that, we're gonna have to after the Homebrew is installed, you'll see these lines, the strings of code, and you'll be asked to run these commands in your terminal to add Homebrew to your path destination. So let's copy all of these three strings and paste them in here, and then press enter, and that's it. Now we can start using Homebrew from our terminal. And what this means is that we can basically go to the search field in on the Homebrew's website and search for stats. And as you can see, here we have the stats installation command. So it's pretty simple, but we can still copy it, then go back to the terminal, then right click and select paste, press enter, and then wait until the stats are downloaded. Once the stats finish downloading and are successfully installed, you can open your apps menu and run stats application from here. Then click open, and then we're gonna have to go through the initial configuration of this application. So let it use your device's hardware, because it's gonna need to read the data from your hardware. Okay, and if you want to start the application at login, select the first option so that you can see the stats of your computer right when you turn it on. Then select do everything silently in the background, click next, and then finish. And this will open a bunch of different stats on top of your device on the toolbar. So here we have the CPU data, we have the disk data, the network data, and we also have battery. So in battery, we can see the current temperature of the battery in real time. And that's how we check the temperature of the MacBook. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.